Welcome back to Statistical Observatory. Welcome back to another interesting statistical journey on control of corruption in the countries. The control of corruption, percentile rank, which is a metric used to assess the level of corruption within a country or region. It is often employed in governance and transparency assessments, such as those conducted by organizations like the World Bank, Transparency International, and other similar institutions. This metric provides valuable insights into the state of corruption within a particular jurisdiction by comparing it to other countries or regions on a percentile scale. Let's look at most corrupt to no corrupt countries, perceived, in the video.